Chef Pete, look at what I have here. I have what's left of our Marry Me chicken with everything, all the good stuff in it. And you know what? I need Anthony's opinion on this one, so I'm going to ask him to come in over here by the camera. Come over here, Anthony. I want you to tell everybody what you think about the Marry Me chicken.
Well, what I can tell you is that the taste of that with the spinach, the sun-dried tomato, and the chicken, it's like a very beautiful blend. And with the Parmesan cheese, it ends it like in a kiss. So it's like, so it's a definite great dish for a night, for when you want to give someone the beautiful gift of food and love. And I guess that's why it's called Marry Me Chicken, because it's because if somebody makes this for you, you may want to marry them, because the thing is, you know, food is the way to anybody's stomach or anyone's heart. Food is the way to your heart, because, you know, and I was just talking about this with somebody today, that in Italy, you know, they talk about food like it's, you know, like it's God. You know, food rules in Italy. Here in America or other countries, they're always talking about, you know, their love life or this or that. But in Italy, when you talk to people, the topic of the party is food. Oh, look at the beautiful food we got. Anyway.
So there you have it. Have this for lunch. Make it for a bella notte. And a bella notte time at night, because it's a beautiful bella notte. Oh, la da dee, la da da, la da da, beautiful bella notte. So Chef P will go on and on and on, and Anthony will have to call me out. So now is the time for all of you there. It's time for Pete to be out.